Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my friend's actual house that I'm at today. And I have these. It actually came with 6 wires, but I already taken out 2 of them just because I needed them already. So I've already done my review and I went on my trip this past weekend. But you can see it comes with 6 different size wires for the iPhone. And so I'll open it up here and take one of these out. So you can see this one here. You can see it comes with 2. I think it looks like it's 2 of each of the different sizes. It looks like probably 3 foot, 5 foot, and like 10 foot. The one I was using a short one and a really long one. But you can see it comes with the USB adapter and the lightning adapter for the iPhone. So these are for iPhones. And it comes with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these ones here were super long. And I've been using these all weekend long and plugging them into either this little charger adapter here for this or my battery pack here. And with both of those things, they've been working fine. And I've been charging up my phone, which I'm using to make this video, and my AirPods. So it works for both those things. Worked great. Just total thumbs up for me. I didn't have any problem or notice any speed difference or anything between those. And like when I used my little short one, that was way more expensive at some point in time. But nope, these work just as good and seem to charge just as fast. So thumbs up for me. I'll put a link to these in the description. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.